to shoot!
Ready to shoot some BBs to see who gets the best.
Woo!
Yesterday,
Rock, paper, scissors. Whoever goes first.
Yesterday, at the first shot, I got the bullseye.
We were practicing yesterday. The little kid got the bullseye.
And whoever names that gun.
Yeah, this week's contest. What should Cole's gun be named? We just don't know what to name it. So, what do you guys think? What should it be named?
And if you get a good name,
Well,
get a $20
gift
gift card from Academy.
For Academy. And if we hit 5,000 likes, we will throw darts off our fort on a dartboard to get a bullseye. First one to get a bullseye wins.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, so you go last or you go first?
First.
Okay, you go first. Who goes next?
Alright.
Cole goes second. Now you two need to go third and fourth.
1, 2, 3. No!
There you go.
I cock it.
4. Who stole the bullseye?
Woo! Kiss Katie!
I was scared.
Dude!
It was shot right through.
Guys from How Ridiculous, if you're watching this, you're the ones that inspired us to do this. With that?
It came out, but it didn't. You
Right in the tin.
No! You missed completely.
That's Cadence.
How did I miss completely? I don't know. I heard it hit the tree.
That's
You
what
just
I
hit
heard.
yourself in the face.
How in the world? How in the world?
Maybe it should be called Inaccurate
All right,
Betty.
Case's turn.
Maybe the gun should be Inaccurate Betty.
It fell.
It was on the 7.
It was on the
It was
7.
on the 7. All right.
Very.
Close 2 butts.
For some reason, it doesn't let me.
Oh!
Pretty close to the bullseye.
Another win for the legendary Star-Lord. Your hair's all messed
I
up.
like Bessie. Bessie's a good name.
He messed up his hair. Oh, Cole, your hair is so messed up. Your hair is messed up.
Ah.
It jumped out. I don't think it's on there no more.
Where did I hit it?
I have no idea.
Right there.
No, I hit it right there.
I believe so.
I had in the 8. Had in the 8. There goes cock. Hang on, I gotta reload this.
Okay. Oh,
I didn't aim on that one.
on a 5.
Gee.
I didn't aim.
You
Oh,
hit something.
I got it. I got it right here. In the 6.
5.
I
was
wonder
from 5.
what makes your gun so powerful.
It's a pumping action.
Yeah, well, here's what I think on how it works. So every time you pump it, it builds up the PSI, and it stores the PSI in some sort of chamber.
I'm going for the bar.
Then once you pull that trigger, it releases all that air pressure into the firing chamber,
Pull that back.
and it just shoots that little copper bullet. Like and subscribe this video. 5,000 likes.
Subscribe.
Dart challenge from the fort.
Yeah. Subscribe.
Okay, just to remind you guys, name this gun.
$20 gift card.
$20.
If you could decide the best name for this gun, you get a $20 gift card for Academy.
Get this gun, it's a sweet gun. Yeah!